Did you know more Muslim women are diving into online businesses using AI tools to boost their income? In this video, I'll explore how AI can help Muslim women grow their online earnings. And I'm challenging myself to find the best methods in just 1 week. Welcome back to Islamic Bloom with Word Arabic. If you're a Muslim woman looking to take control of your financial future, this video is for you. We'll discuss how AI can help, especially for those balancing family, obligations, and business. Let's find effective tools that align with our values and make the most of our resources. Well, that's where AI tools come in. Let's break it down. AI-powered freelancing platforms. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are using AI to match freelancers with clients faster and more efficiently. Imagine being able to find work without spending hours browsing job listings. AI content creation tools. Platforms like ChatGPT and Jasper are here to assist with writing blogs, articles, or even social media posts. Muslim women can leverage these tools to produce content quickly, allowing them to focus on business growth. AI design tools. Graphic design can be a major roadblock, but with tools like Canva's AI design assistant, creating stunning visuals for your online business has never been easier. No design experience required. AI and social media management. Tools like Hootsuite and Buffer use AI to schedule and analyze posts, helping Muslim women manage their online presence without spending all day on social media. AI for marketing and ads. AI tools like Facebook Ads Manager and Google Ads can automate and optimize your ad campaigns, helping you reach your target audience effectively. Each of these tools provides a step-by-step guide to making online income a reality, even when you're balancing family, work, and personal life. Here's an inspiring story. Fatima, a stay-at-home mom from Karachi, wanted to earn online to support her family. After using AI tools, she was able to start a successful online tutoring business. With AI-powered marketing tools, she reached students worldwide, and within just 3 months, her income tripled. She now balances her family life and her career without sacrificing one for the other. If Fatima can do it, so can you. Whether you're a mom, student, or seeking a side hustle, AI tools can help you boost productivity and online income while staying true to your values as a Muslim woman. Have you used any AI tools or have questions about which ones to try? Drop a